Hello everyone and welcome to this crash course in web development. In just 5 minutes we are going to cover the fundamental concepts of web development. Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications. It can be divided into three main areas: front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. Front-end development focuses on what users see and interact with on a website. It involves HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js can make your front-end development more efficient. Back-end development handles server-side logic and database interactions. It uses languages like Python, Ruby, PHP, or Node.js, and databases like MySQL or MongoDB. Back-end developers create APIs for communication between the front-end and the back-end. Full-stack developers are proficient in both front-end and back-end technologies. They can build entire web applications independently. Frameworks like Express.js, Ruby on Rails, or Django can help you become a full stack developer. Version control and collaboration. Version control with Git and platforms like GitHub or GitLab are crucial for tracking changes and collaborating with others. They ensure that your development process is smooth and organized. To make your website accessible to the public, you need web hosting. There are various options including shared hosting, VPS, and cloud hosting with providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Responsive web design ensures your website looks and functions well on different devices. It's achieved through techniques that adapt the layout to various screen sizes and orientation. Security is absolutely crucial. Implement SSL certificates for secure connections and protect against common vulnerabilities like SQL injections and cross-site scripting. Web development tools. Using the right tools is essential for efficiency. Code editors like VS Code, browser developer tools, and build systems like Webpack or Gulp can significantly aid your development process. Web development is a constantly evolving field. Keep learning, stay updated with industry trends, new technologies, and best practices to succeed in your career. In conclusion, in this quick crash course, we have covered the basic of web development from front end to back end and important tools and concepts. Whether you are just starting or looking to expand your skills, web development offers exciting opportunities in the digital world. Thank you for joining us for this crash course. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Happy coding!